Hello everyone. Start to the fourth number lesson HTML. This is a completed by the lesson. Then overview in this chapter. What is mean by HTML? The HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is a text file containing for a small markup tags for using the how to display the page. Then HTML file must have be the or HTML or HTML file extension using for the HTML file. Then HTML file can be created using a simple text editor. For example, create font style, width, height, column. This is a using by the text editor. Then advantages of HTML. What is the advantages of HTML? This is a HTML is an easy to use, learn, implement and flexible alternative to the presentation and software computer by the display screen, and require HTML pages can be updated easily without changing whole document. Then kind of a software which has been called by the world where used independent work and no expensive license software or hardware required. This is the advantages of a HTML. Then disadvantages of a HTML. It is a easy to write and bad HTML containing errors. This is a HTML doesn't offer programming language features and capabilities. Then HTML documentation. This is a HTML editors, text editor, HTML code editors and HTML design tools. Then text editor using by the HTML code editors. Then HTML design tools, HTML element, HTML tags using for the tag attributes. Then basic HTML tags using for the HTML head, title, style, script, body. Then background color, text block element. Then special element, character level elements, character reference. Then address element, BR using for the single line break using for the BR statement, break statement. HR, this is a defines a horizontal rules. Then heading lines. Then PRE tags used for the performance the text. Then font tags in a HTML. Font tags means using for the character formatting. This is a style, coloring, underline by the bold, italic using for the language also the HTML. Then dealing with the URLs. Then important hint. Then link to mail list in a HTML means unsorted list and sorted list. Definition list using by the tables in HTML. What is a creating by the table? It is a create by the table, caption, tr, th, td. This is using by the tags. And height, width, cols, h space, v space. H space, this is a horizontal margin, and v space, this is a vertical margin. And variables tables are created by the HTML. Then background color, background images, table with the cell spacing using by the cells padding or col span and row span using by the HTML. Images in a HTML. Then border, height, width, h space. Then dummy images using by the HTML. And alternative text using by the whole programming language. Then HTML script, VB script. VB script means Visual Basic Script. Then script tag, body, head, and using by the HTML document using by the font size, font, left, right, alignment, center, right, left. This is a using by the tag. This is a all over HTML. This is a creating by the image or creating by the form. This is a use for the HTML. मीन्स HTML मध्ये तुम्ही काय काय क्रिएट करू शकणार आहे. तर तुम्हाला एखादा जर टेबल क्रिएट करायचा असेल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादा जर टाइम टेबल तुम्हाला सेट करायचा असेल, एखादा फॉर्म जर क्रिएट करायचा असेल तर तुम्ही HTMLच्या पेजवर तुम्ही डिझाईन करू शकणार आहे. थँक्यू स्टुडंट्स, कीप वॉच माय व्हिडिओ.